Welcome to all future creators and entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to explore a revolutionary method for making money while sharing valuable knowledge with young, curious minds. We're taking inspiration from a thriving YouTube channel that has harnessed the power of 2D animation to create captivating educational videos for children. With over 30 million views on some videos and incredible monthly earnings of up to 105.9 thousand, it's time for us to discover how to replicate this success with the help of AI. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of creating animated videos for kids. But first, don't forget to support me and reward all this value I'm offering you for free. Subscribe and remember to hit the like button. The first crucial step in creating our video is to establish an engaging and informative script. For this, we'll use innovative tools such as ChatGPT and the APERM guide. These tools will enable us to generate a captivating script about various birds, filled with interesting information and suitable for a young audience eager to learn. Imagine yourself wandering through an enchanted forest where each tree hides a secret and each bird sings a unique melody. It's in this wonderful universe that we'll take our young viewers today. But to make this adventure as educational as it is captivating, we need a solid plan, a script that will guide our steps through the branches of knowledge. Thanks to ChatGPT and the APERM guide, we have the necessary tools to create an exceptionally high-quality script. These cutting-edge technologies use advanced algorithms to generate relevant and smooth content based on our initial prompt. By providing these systems with information about our topic, in this case birds, we're able to obtain a customized script that will meet the needs of our target audience. We'll start by introducing our young viewers to the fascinating world of birds, highlighting their astonishing diversity in terms of shapes, sizes, and colors. Then, we'll invite them to explore some of the most iconic species, showcasing their unique features and fascinating behaviors. Every paragraph of the script will be carefully crafted to keep the attention of our young audience while providing them with valuable knowledge about the world of birds. Interesting facts about their diet, habitat, and breeding habits will be playfully integrated into the narrative, ensuring an enriching educational experience. Finally, it's essential to keep in mind the age and level of understanding of our target audience throughout the writing process. We'll make sure to use simple and accessible language while avoiding overly technical terms that could lose the interest of our young viewers. The goal is to spark curiosity and wonder in children while offering them valuable information that they can easily grasp. By following these steps, we'll be able to create a captivating and informative script that will serve as a solid foundation for our children's educational video about birds. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of avian nature with us. Now that our engaging script is ready, it's time to move on to the exciting next step. Step 2, bringing our words to life by generating an engaging and dynamic voice for our video. We'll use Credo AI, a cutting-edge speech synthesis AI, to create audio recordings that will captivate the attention of our young audience. Credo AI is a revolutionary tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate natural and expressive voices in just a few clicks. With its advanced speech synthesis technology, we can create high-quality audio recordings that will breathe life into our script and captivate the imagination of our viewers. We'll start by accessing the Credo AI platform and creating an account if necessary. Once logged in, we'll select our preferred language along with the voice model that best matches the ambience we want to create for our video. Next, we'll copy each paragraph of our script and paste it into the designated text area on Credo AI. We'll use the audition function to listen to the output and ensure that the voice meets our expectations in terms of tone, speed, and expressiveness. If necessary, we'll adjust the settings of the voice model or select another model to achieve the desired result. Once satisfied with the generated voice, we'll confirm the selection and move on to the next paragraph of our script. During the voice generation process, we'll ensure that word pronunciation is clear and accurate, especially for technical terms or less common bird names. We'll also adjust the speech rate to ensure optimal understanding of our content by our target audience. Once all paragraphs of our script have been converted into high-quality audio recordings, we'll download the audio files in the appropriate order, ensuring that they match the natural progression of our video. By following these steps, we'll be able to create professional and engaging audio recordings that will bring our script to life and captivate the attention of our target audience. Get ready to embark on an exciting sonic adventure as we explore the wonderful world of birds together. Now that we have our script and voices ready, let's move on to the next exciting step. Step 3, creating animated characters that will bring our video to life. For this, we'll use Adobe Express an intuitive and powerful AI animation tool. Adobe Express is an AI-powered animation software that allows for easy and efficient creation of animated characters. With a range of characters and animations available, we'll be able to bring our content to life in an engaging and appealing way for our young audience. We'll start by accessing Adobe Express and selecting the option Create Animation for YouTube. This feature will allow us to choose from a selection of fun and colorful characters that will capture the imagination of our viewers. Once we've selected our character, we'll be able to customize its appearance by choosing from different color and style options. We'll make sure to select a character that matches the tone and style of our video, keeping in mind that we're targeting a children's audience. Next, we'll select an appropriate background for our animation. We'll be able to choose from a range of custom colors or upload our own background image to create the perfect ambiance for our video. Once our animated character and background are ready, we'll import the audio files we generated in the previous step. We'll associate each audio recording with the corresponding moment in our script, ensuring that the synchronization between audio and animation is perfect. Once everything is in place, we'll be able to preview our animation to ensure that everything is working as intended. If necessary, we'll make adjustments to the animation or audio to ensure a smooth and engaging experience for our viewers. Finally, we'll export our animation to save it and share it with the world. Adobe Express will allow us to export our animation in a format compatible with video sharing platforms, making it easy for us to upload it to our YouTube channel. Thanks to Adobe Express, we'll be able to create captivating animated characters that will bring our script to life and captivate the imagination of our young audience. Get ready to embark on an exciting visual adventure as we explore the wonderful world of birds together. Now that our animated character is ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 4, and create dynamic animated sequences for our video using Canva, a versatile online graphic design tool. Canva offers a range of tools and resources for creating eye-catching visuals, and its video creation feature is perfect for our project. By using Canva, we'll be able to add visual elements and animations to our video to make it even more appealing to our target audience. 1. Accessing Canva and selecting video format. We'll start by accessing Canva and creating a new video project. We'll select the YouTube video format to ensure that our animated sequences are optimized for the most popular video sharing platform. 2. Importing animated videos from Adobe Express. Once our project is created, we'll import the animated videos we generated in the previous step with Adobe Express. These videos will serve as the basis for our animated sequences in Canva. 3. Adding visual elements and backgrounds. Next, we'll use Canva's Elements feature to add visual elements such as trees, clouds, and other scenery to our animated sequences. These elements will help create a dynamic and engaging visual environment for our video. 4. Customizing visual elements. Canva offers a variety of customization options for its visual elements. We'll be able to adjust the size, color, and opacity of the elements to match the style and tone of our video. 5. Adding birds and other animals. Since our video is themed around birds, we'll make sure to include bird images in our animated sequences. We'll use Canva's search feature to find suitable bird images and seamlessly integrate them into our sequences. 6. Synchronizing with the script. As we add visual elements to our animated sequences, we'll keep the content of our script in mind. We'll ensure that the images and animations correspond to the topics covered in the script for a consistent and immersive experience for our audience. 7. Adjusting sequence duration and order. We'll adjust the duration of each animated sequence to match the audio recordings of our script. We'll also make sure to arrange the sequences in the appropriate order to tell our story clearly and logically. Once all animated sequences have been created and customized to our needs, we'll be able to preview our video in Canva to ensure that everything is to our satisfaction. If necessary, we'll make additional adjustments to ensure that our video is ready to be shared with the world. Canva offers a range of tools and features for creating stunning animated sequences that will captivate our audience and enhance the impact of our message. With Canva, we're ready to bring our creative vision to life and create an educational and entertaining video that will resonate with our viewers. Now that all animated sequences have been created with Canva and the voices have been successfully generated, it's time to move on to step 5, the final step, editing the videos with Wondershare Filmora, a user-friendly and powerful video editing software. Wondershare Filmora is a versatile video editing software that offers a range of tools and features to create high-quality professional videos. With its user-friendly interface and numerous customization options, Filmora is perfect for our video editing project. Video editing process. 1. Importing videos and audio recordings. We'll start by importing all our animated videos created with Canva, as well as the audio recordings generated in the previous step with Credo AI. Filmora allows us to easily import audio and video files into our project. Arranging video and audio layers. Once the files are imported, we'll organize the video and audio layers in Filmora's timeline. We'll place the audio clips corresponding to each animated sequence on the audio layers, while the videos will be placed on the video layers. 3. Adjusting duration and speed. We'll adjust the duration of each animated sequence to match the duration of the audio recordings. Filmora allows us to easily modify the speed of video clips to ensure perfect synchronization between audio and video. Adding transitions and visual effects. We'll use the many transitions and visual effects available in Filmora to enhance the smoothness of our video. Smooth transitions between sequences and dynamic visual effects. Once our video is ready, we'll export the final product from Filmora in the file format of our choice. Filmora offers a range of export options to meet our needs, including resolution, format, and bitrate. With Wondershare Filmora, we have all the tools we need to bring our creative vision to life and create an educational and entertaining video that will captivate our audience. With its intuitive features and numerous customization options, Filmora is the ideal choice for professional video editing. Once our video is exported, we'll be ready to share it with the world and inspire, entertain, and educate our audience with our engaging and high-quality content. Congratulations on completing this incredible adventure of creating educational animated videos for children. By following these simple steps and harnessing the power of AI, you now have all the keys to creating viral and profitable content on YouTube. Don't forget to share your creations with the world and continue exploring new ways to inspire and educate young minds. Subscribe to not miss any of our future videos, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found this video useful. Share it with your friends and community as well. Together, we can reach new heights and create a future where success is accessible to all. Thank you for your support, and see you soon on our channel.